this is Amy. Thanks for stopping back, or if you're new, thanks for stopping by. Tonight, this video is just going to be a follow-up to some of the projects I've been working on, just kind of giving you an idea of how some of the things turned out. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the glitter, the red glitter glosses that I did. And the neat thing about these is that I actually used on my glassware the new product that came out from Mod Podge, which is the Mod Podge Ultra, and it's spray-on, multi-surface, indoor-outdoor, no brush strokes, durable, non-tacky, and it really is non-tacky. The old version is actually, I kept wondering why everything that I was coating, because I was painting rocks, why it was so tacky feeling. Even tried to bake it, thinking maybe it wasn't dry. That still didn't help. Then I found out that that's actually just, you know, how the product is. So this new product actually is very awesome. Again, I did use that to initially put the glitter on the glosses. I did then coat these with Mod Podge, the dishwasher safe gloss. And the reason for that is because it is dishwasher safe and I'm doing it on glassware. Although with these, I would say I would hand wash them, you know, just to keep them looking nice. Went ahead and I added some dotting around the top. The only thing I have a problem with the new product is, even though I taped this off, I still feel like I had residue from the spray. And I'm not sure, I haven't poured any of it out to actually try to brush it on. But you can brush it on, so I might still recommend brushing it instead of spraying it when you're doing glassware. Or really, I don't know. I mean, I did two different types of glassware with it, and both of them have residue, which I've tried to clean off. And I probably will wash these just to try to make sure I get it off, you know, as well as I can. I did add some dotting around the base as well as around the top, 3 rows. Again, I'm working on my dots. I'd like to start doing mandalas, so I'm trying to incorporate dots as much as I can. The next set that I did, which I think these are awesome, very unique, but on these I did a double row of thin little tape around the top, and I did find residue in between the tape and on the top, so that's something I'm a little disappointed in. So I don't know if it's basically something I need to work on my own to try to alleviate. But I did use the spray after, I'm trying to think here, I painted the glass, let the paint dry, then I sprayed it and sprinkled the beads on it. I do have a video that you can see that in. I did spray it a few times. And then I also added a couple coats of the dishwasher safe Mod Podge on top of that. Just the reason being, giving it some added durability. That's the primary reason, since that is actually made for, you know, being dishwasher safe and all that. I love these. I think they're beautiful. My next attempt is going to actually be to try to just add the beads into the Mod Podge, and it'll probably just do the dishwasher safe one when I'm doing it, and then see how that turns out. So those are 2 classes that I've been working on this week. I also, my first attempt with painting rocks by putting fingernail polish in water, found out I was actually using the wrong brand of fingernail polish. So I wondered why it was behaving the way it was and not working as easily as the videos that I saw, and that's why. So I am going to be on the hunt for the proper fingernail polish. However, I really do like the way they turned out, even though it's not the right polish. A little bit different look than what I was trying to achieve, but I still think they turned out nicely. These rocks I have sprayed with 3 coats of that Mod Podge Ultra. Again, no tackiness. Nice and shiny, and there is a brand, if you like the matte finish, There is a brand for that as well. I have not yet sprayed the back because I'm going to write something on it, because I'm doing the game where you do the rock hiding and trying to find these rocks, you know, painted rocks, and trying to grow my Facebook group. So once I master this, I will do a video on it, but didn't want to show a video when I really felt like it wasn't working properly. So I still like how they turned out, happy with that. And then working on my dots, my practice dots. I mean, it's okay. Not like what I'm seeing on the videos, but I did these, and then I did spray them with 3 coats of the Mod Podge Ultra. Haven't done anything yet to the back, because once again I will be writing on these to leave them, do the rock hiding game. But I think, you know, for practice purposes, I mean, I have a long way to go to being neat like a lot of the videos I'm watching. But I'm still, you know, happy with them. I just did it on the natural rock without doing any kind of base coating on them. Whereas with the ones that I did the fingernail polish marbling thing on, I did base coat these rocks. So that did a little bit different. Just trying, you know, if you're creative, you'll understand when you get into a lot of different mediums. It's just something fun that I would like to do, just stress reliever. Try to maybe add a little happiness to somebody else. So anyways, that's what I've been working on this week. Hope you like what I'm doing. If you like my videos, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe, hit the button down below, hit the bell next to it so you get notifications whenever I post something new. I am trying to increase the amount of videos that I'm posting, so you know, please bear with me on that. And if you like this video, make sure you share it with your friends. Very important. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I'd appreciate any help I can get. Still working on doing my live restock sale on my glassware, so stay tuned for that. It will be coming soon. And until my next video, have a good one.